Hello guys, I have ordered some Club Factory India Private Limited and I'm opening this now. Let's see how it's exactly inside. It's so much of packaging. I never ordered from the Club Factory and now I'm ordering. If I like it, I really ordered other things also because it's very cheap on our Club Factory. I really need a scissor. So I'm giving a review about the Club Factory. I'm just cutting this. I have ordered some nail art product from Club Factory. Let's see how it is inside actually. See, there is a Club Factory cookie logo. I'm so excited. If you like this review, subscribe my channel and tell me what do you want to more know about the other products. I'll use this nail art product and tell you how it is working. So guys, I have ordered some stickers for my nails and it is very cheap. I'll give you the link in my description box for this product. This MRP is 338 but I got it in around 250. 250, and these are the 50 worksheets. Then I have ordered this nail art tool. This is also a very cheap and this has a price as 504 rupees. You can see here, and I got it around I think 150. I really don't know. I'll just tell you. I'll give you a full information in my description box. And this is a cute earring I have ordered, and this is also, the price is 90 rupees but I got it around 60 and 65 rupees. And this is a manicure strips. This rupees in MRP is 75 rupees but I got it in very less and cheap price. See, you can use when you are doing actually a manicure. I'll show you how it is. So especially girls, I'll show you how to use this strips or stickers on your nail. It's very easy process to use. And thank you so much. Subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.